In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I like to disinfect my lash cleansing brushes between every single lash service so I can use the same brush on different clients. And I highly recommend you take this information and feel free to share this video with your clients so that they know how to disinfect their lash brushes at home as well. And I highly recommend sharing these tips and tricks with your clients so they can disinfect their lash cleansing brushes at home with ease. Okay, so first up, you're gonna need this situation right here. I like to use dish liquid. I have my brush, I have a clean paper towel or face cloth. I just have a face cloth today. And then I have some alcohol in a little glass. It doesn't have to be in a glass, but just some alcohol as well is preferred. And I like to do this near a sink so that it's easy cleanup and just easy to do. It's not messy at all. I start by washing my hands. This step is really important because you're actually going to brush the bristles of the brush in your hand in circular motions to get rid of any makeup or anything. So you want to have clean hands before you start. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take my dish liquid, just a little bit, put some in the palm of my hand, make sure your hand is still wet. And now you're going to start to work the brush in circular motions in your hand. So what this is doing is getting rid of any makeup or anything that is actually in the brush. So I don't have any makeup on this brush. I always get my clients to come to their services without makeup on, but let's say your client was doing this at home and they were using this as a cleansing brush for everyday wear with, say, their DIY lashes or their traditional lash extensions, there would likely be makeup in this. So I just do this until the water runs clear and there's no more makeup left on the brush. Notice that the brush is tilted down toward the sink. This is really helpful because we don't want any water to get up into the handle of the brush because the bristles themselves are connected just by a gluey substance. So if water is to sit around the connection point between the handle and the bristles can actually fall out. So be really careful not to get any water, alcohol, dish soap, anything up into the brush handle that could compromise that bonding agent. Now I'm just kind of wiping the product off the brush. So now I'm going to actually disinfect the brush. You can use antibacterial brush cleanser or an alcohol-based solution in a small bowl or cup. Just make sure that the solution is deep enough that you can coat the bristles of the brush, but not so deep that you're submerging all the way up to the handle. Again, when I take it out of here, make sure not to flip your brush upside down, or I guess right side up, just to make sure that none of that product gets into the handle, because rest assured, if you get alcohol-based product up in there, those bristles are 100% gonna fall out. So I like to swirl for about 15 to 30 seconds. You don't need too long. It's just to ensure that the disinfectant reaches all parts of the exposed bristles. And then carefully pat the brush on your face cloth or paper towel to get rid of any excess solution. Just be gentle here too, nothing too crazy, just gently removing any product from the bristles. Okay, at this point you could absolutely use disposable makeup cleaning wipes just to further clean your brush, but I don't feel that is necessary, so I'm just going to reform the bristles with my fingers so it doesn't lose its shape. And at this point, there shouldn't be any excess liquid. Like it's pretty, I wouldn't say dry, but it's certainly not soaking anymore. And then from here, I'm just gonna lay it down and let the brush dry. I like to put it over the sink just a little bit, and again, on my clean towel so that it can dry. And again, we're not worrying about any product getting up and compromising that bonding area between the bristles and the handle. And that is it. That's how I disinfect all of my cleansing brushes between my lash services when I use them on clients for cleansing pre-service, as well as how I disinfect my own cleansing brush at home when I clean my DIY lashes nightly.